who actually don't get. Wait, huh? Wait, okay. So we are going to start now. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Because, you know, I have to reply message and class at the same time, reply message. Okay. So, Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to everyone. Okay. So, I hope everyone can see these slides. Okay. If you can't see it, let me know. If you can't see it, let me know. Okay, I will get this one more bigger. Okay, so can you see it, class? Can you see it clearly?
Yes.
Okay, very good, very good. That is very good. Okay, now today what we are going to do is we are having a reading, very simple reading and skimming text. Okay, skimming, what skimming? Skimming means you are actually read the keywords of the dialogue, and before you answer the question, you need to underline the keyword of the question, and then you get back to the dialogue. Okay, now let's have a look at our OPAM. I hope everyone already copy this in your exercise book. Okay, for your information, for the activity, this picture, reading an online message board, you don't have to copy in the activity. You have to copy the question and the answers in your exercise book. Okay, after this. Okay, so now let's have a look at our OPAM. Okay, wait, I'm going to admit your friend. Okay. Okay, hi. Okay, we just came in. Okay, now, if you look at this, okay, our skill today is 3.1.1 and 2.1.1. Okay, for 3.1.1, okay, we will do this today. Okay, and we will continue the 2.1.1 on Friday. Okay, because 2.1.1 is speaking. So the speaking part is at the question number 4, page 63. So don't think about it yet. Don't think about it yet. Okay, today just focus. Wait, need to admit friend. Okay, Shazwina, hi. Okay. Now we just go through all the activities that we have to learn today. So now I want everyone to understand. If you look at 3.1.1, understand the main points in simple longer text on a range of familiar topics. So this is familiar topics. Okay, online message board. Okay, so now activity 1. Okay, the lesson objective, reading the text passage on page 63, and then you can also listen to the recording, okay, to help you to read it. Okay, this is especially for the pupils or students who actually having having problem to pronounce it. Okay, to sebut the words, maybe you not sure how it actually, how to pronounce it. Okay, so I already prepare you the recording. Okay, so you can listen to the recording and read the dialogue in the same time. Okay, so now let's have a look at activity number 1. I just told you before, okay, can listen and read the passage in the same time. The exercise is based on the online message board, page 63. Okay, so this is the question. Why I post the question here, not the passage. Okay, usually we should read the passage first, right? But I will teach you how to save time. Okay, please read the question first. Whatever reading passage, you have to read at the question. What's the question 1? Okay, the question 1 what? Okay, the question 1 what? Okay, if you look at the question number 1, okay, of course, you have to read the passage, but don't read the whole passage first. Just read the title of the passage. Okay, let's say the title of the passage is about what? Okay, if you look at here, message board. Oh, this is about message board. Okay, so what is this about? What's the question 1? Okay, the question 1, if you look at the activity number 2, answer the sets of question 1, question 2, and question 3 only. So now, if you look at the question number 1, read and listen to the message board who doesn't suggest a way of making money. So who did not do any suggestion of making money? So who? You need to identify after you read all this. Okay, so who is it? You don't know, right? So you know that question number 1 asking about who actually do not suggest anything, not suggest anything. Who was it? Who was it? Okay, you don't know. Then you look at question number 2. Okay, answer question number 2. Why does Penniless need some money? Underline the keyword there. If you already copy the question, number 1, Penniless needs some money, you underline. Okay, that is the keywords. Okay, number 2, what kind of jobs does Cinderella do? Kind of jobs. Jobs, okay, Cinderella do. Number 3, what is Owen 99 going to do in August? Owen 99 going to do in August. What is it? So how can Penniless help the environment? How help the environment? Number 5, where does Trendy Girl go shopping? Where Trendy Girl go shopping? So now you already knew the keywords. Okay, now let's have a look at the passage. Now, if you look at that, username Penniless, it said that, hi, I'm 14, I want to buy a smartphone. So the problem here, Penniless wants to buy a smartphone. One problem she has. Sorry, she has one problem. There's only one problem. It's expensive. Has anyone got any tips for making and saving money? Okay? You understand or not? So all of this dialogue, you will have to read it and listen to the recording. I will not read it here. Okay? Because it is going to take your data too long. Okay? So I don't want to be, sorry. Need to admit first. Okay. Okay, I don't want you to waste it very long. Okay, so today, very simple answer, simple way to do it. Underline the keywords, look at the passage, listen to the recording, look at the word checking here, tip, pocket money, sort out, second hand, apply, bargain. Bargains mean tawar-menawar. Apply, mohon, second hand, you know, barang second hand. Sort out means asingkan. Sort out means asingkan. Okay, I need to sort out my last year Form 1 textbooks. So saya kena asingkan textbook Form 1 last year. Pocket money, you know pocket money. Tip. This tip here is not the tips how to be a healthy. No. Tip here is whenever you already done something. Whenever you all actually like you know at a hotel, whenever the housekeeping or whatsoever have actually finished the work, so the person will tip, you know, it's bayaran. Okay, it's bayaran, tip. Okay, so it's the payment actually. Okay, so now before we are actually going to stop our class, this is very simple. Does anybody here have any questions? Do you have any question for the exercise today? Guys?
No.
So everyone understand? So everyone understand? Okay, so now, before I stop this class, this is very simple. Before we stop this class, for the next class on Friday, everyone will get ready for question number 4. Question number 4, all of you will need to write something and then you need to talk about it and record the video of you talking about what you have wrote. Understand or not? Apa yang you dah tulis for this Friday's class. Okay? So, okay. I will just give you the video for Friday. For this one, I already give you the listening lesson video PDPR. So everyone, I hope all of you understand. So if we don't have any questions, I'm going to call it off. Okay, call it off means I have to stop this. Okay, I want to save your data because you have a long week to go to the GMeet for another class. So I hope I already convey, sampaikan everything important. Anyone have any question? No.
No.
Okay, so I will record this and no, everyone. Okay, everyone of your friend, you can tell them you can watch this in YouTube. I will change the link into YouTube channel. So everyone in here will get famous in YouTube. Okay, Assalamualaikum and see you again. And please finish the work, okay? I will send our work in the WhatsApp class. Okay, goodbye. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you,
Salam.
Welcome. I love you. Please send the homework. I'll wait. I'll be waiting for you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay.
Okay, welcome.